Let's take a minute to see some of the scenic highlights before the video begins. Well, good morning. Carmelita and I are camped in Leadore, Idaho. For today's adventure, we're going to go up through Gilmore and ride in and see Meadow Lake. Technically, you can take a full-size vehicle to Meadow Lake, but we're taking the RZR because after the lake, we may do some trail riding. You ready to go see the lake, Carmelita?
I am. Let's go.
Stop here and read about it. Certainly a lot of history here in Gilmore. A lot of mining, and the railroad even made it prosper more. But then the railroad didn't make money and closed down, and now I guess this is what's left of Gilmore. We head on up to the lake.
I am.
Dust kicks up where the trail begins. Wheels spin faster, wind bites my skin. Sky so wide, feels like it could break. Idaho whispers, take the RZR to the lake. RZR ride to Meadow.
The trailer's not over 24 feet, recommended.
Crystal waters calling clear. Trout swim deep, but freedom's near. James and Carmelita.
We are starting to see the mountains.
Through mountain shadows where rivers run. Pines stretch tall like they own the air. The lake is waiting, the world's nowhere. RZR ride to Meadow.
It's hard to believe. You can drive to it.
Where heaven rests and hearts awake. Crystal waters calling clear. Trout swim deep, but freedom's near. J-stick peaks frame the view. Mountains hum in every hue. The trail's a heartbeat we can't.
So if you want to camp here, it's $10 a day for a single site, $5 if you have the Golden Pass, or $20 if you want a double site. And it looks like there may be additional charge for water and sewer, but it says NA, so I guess this is probably just a primitive campground.
Yeah, that's what I think.
All right, let's make our way down to the lake.
It says you can enter on an OHV, but no recreational riding permitted.
What a campground though, huh? Can you imagine driving up here and camping right here in these mountains? And I'm sure the lake's just going to be beautiful.
Handicap parking. We better park back there. Carmelita, it's so incredibly beautiful. I'm glad you thought to bring our lightweight, ultra lightweight backpacking chairs that we used on the Camino hike.
So we can sit here and have a shoreside lunch and enjoy the lake and the views.
Yes.
They actually have picnic tables.
Yeah.
They've got grills. Looks like we could cook. Do you bring a steak or do you bring us a normal sandwich wrap?
Sandwich.
Honey.
I know.
What a hidden gem located right here in Idaho. Just unbelievable. A beautiful lake. I see trout jumping and the mountain peaks as a backdrop. It's just incredible.
Carmelita and I are going to have a little bit of lunch, enjoy the lake views for a while, and then we're probably going to go find another trail to ride. We're sure glad you joined us on this adventure, and we hope to see you on the next one.
See you soon.
There's a travel trailer and Mom and Dad's sea outlook. Alright, back to the truck, Carmelita. Storms are coming.